This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Michael Porter. Great location, beautifully maintained 2-bedroom, 2-bath, open floor plan for entertaining, crown molding throught, kitchen has almost new appliances and an island. Washer and amp, dryer conveniently located in hall closet along with a new tankless water heater. Bedrooms are spacious with newer carpet and oversized closets, both bathrooms are nicely updated. Living area has good quality water-resistant laminate flooring and an amazing built-on enclosed lanai room with tinted windows and screens. Exterior has new siding, new roof and a very nice new carport along with a storage/workshop. This home has a long concrete driveway for plenty of parking. Located close to pool and amp, Clubhouse with one of the better views in the community. Port Charlotte Village is an active 55+ community. Bring your golf cart and enjoy all the amenities such as the heated pool, activity hall, billiards, bingo and much more. Enjoy the friendly atmosphere of the park, or the closeness of shopping, dining, and sightseeing. Just minutes from I-75 and US 41. Low HOA fees and $20,000 in shares included in the sale makes this very inviting. For more information, review the details below.